So here is to good health and a messy table. I am so sorry. Uh, so I guess I'll be ashamed for the rest of my life. Minty, very minty, little flowery. It's perfect. It's perfect for a cold morning. I wish I could share this with everyone.
With a full belly after breakfast, we are rolling into Marrakech to watch Berber scarf magic happened. Full belly, happy feet. From what I have heard, these Berber scarves are made the old-fashioned way, by hands, dyed with natural plants, woven on wooden looms. No machines are allowed. I love scarves. This will be an exciting event for me. Can't wait, can't wait.
Wait. Come. This is the Berber market. Look at this is the dyeing market. The dyeing, wool dyeing. This is here. I know this. This is the sheep wool.
Okay.
This is here the Berber women. You're coming. You're making the carpet. His man. You're make the scarf.
Okay.
This is here. You're the animal. Come close. Come close. Yes, this is here. Here the Berber people, you're making the colors. You fix the colors. This is the cactus silk. This is here the cactus silk. You're making the scalp. Come here, come. اسمح لي الله يخليك يا وليدة. اسمح لي الله يخلي لك الشيبانية. This is here your hot water. Your fixed colors. This is your fire.
Oh, wow.
Look at this is the Berber people from generation in work generation in generation from Berber. Look at. Come close. Come close. This is the pigment.
That is the natural pigment within wool and silk and cotton. Maybe if you want to change your hair color,
Yeah.
it's for free. Huh? No, check it out. Come on, sir, please. Come on.
Just so.
Yeah, that is the pigment. That is the magic color. Can you guess which color is it?
It's green.
No, it's not green. That is the magic color from Abracadabra. Look at.
Look at. Your little bit water.
That is water. That is purple. From Seychelles. And that's wine, which color?
Red.
No.
No.
You, sir, which color is it?
Pink?
Exactly. That is pink from fuchsia.
Fuchsia.
And this is the king for the color.
I would say black, maybe.
No.
No.
You, sir?
Green?
No.
No.
Green normalmente is mixed with two colors, with yellow and blue. Look. That is blue. It's from indigo. This is blue indigo and that is blue cobalt. Yellow is from saffron. Orange is from henna color. Red is from poppy flower. And the black is from mascara. And all it is for change the wool, silk, cotton, scarf. Here we have the beautiful scarf. That is blue indigo. That is the king for the color. It's the blue indigo. What's your name, sir?
Cool.
No, it's Mustafa Couscous. Come on, please.
Hold on. Back. Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Where from?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Welcome. No, it's Berber man.
Berber man.
Yeah, Berber man.
Berber man from Vietnam.
No, from Morocco now.
Morocco.
Yeah.
Merhaba.
Marhaba, yeah. MashaAllah. Okay. Mustafa Couscous. Look at the man. And this is beautiful cashmere. This is cashmere.
Look at this, guys. How do I look?
Berber man.
Berber man. All right.
Fatima. Come on, please, Fatima.
All right, Fatima. Your turn. Hold on. Let me.
And this is Moroccan cashmere touch quality. Touch quality. This is wool from camel. Come on, please. Yes, can you put it in place?